There's my oil draining for the first time ever. It's wrapping up now. It's gonna be dripping for a long time still, but most of it is already drained. Smells terrible. Tell me why there's Japanese on my filter, bruh. Tell me why. Japanese. I swear I'm gonna wear gloves. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'll wear gloves in a second. I'm sorry. I'll wear gloves. Everything will be okay. Okay, I gotta tighten this some more. Peep that new filter, boy. It looks the same as the old one, but it's new, boy. Alright, I'm about to scoot. I'm about to scoot this oil pan over. Get away, stuff. Go away, stuff. I'm about to scoot it over so that I get it under that filter. And then I'm going to go ahead and get that filter off. Now I already untightened it a little bit, so I should be able to hand turn it, and I'm gonna leave it like that to let it drip some. Drippity drip drip. Okay, I got a little on my hand though. Oof. Gonna leave that like that for a little bit. Alright, okay, alright, let's hope that we are good up in there. We are going to have a little bit of stuff inside the filter. That stuff is called oil. Whole lot of turning. Oh, wow. Okay. Alright, putting this new boy in while the old boy is sitting there looking dirty. Dirty, yeah. Alright, this does not need to be super tight. It just needs to be hand tight. This boy for sure needs to be tight. Not like super duper tight, but super tight kind of. This boy doesn't need to be that tight. It can just be hand tight. And I'm just going to use this to make my hands a teeny bit stronger, but still just hand tight. Just hand tight. All right. And there we have it. We're good. All right, and so now I'm gonna pour some new oil in that boy. My car needed 4 quarts, and this boy is 5 quarts. So I just went down to about 1.5 quarts, and now I'm gonna look at the stick and pour a teeny bit more if I need to. Alright, I let it run a little bit. Now I'm gonna check the oil again. So, oh yeah, I let it run and I let it sit for 3 minutes. Hold on, I gotta check this. Alright, I added a little bit more and that was all good.